Handoff, Wogu, breaks to the near side, no, it's a play action, throwing deep, complete, Conklin to 40, 35-30, far sideline, 25-20, 15-10, 5, touchdown, Colonels. The first play of the game goes for 66 yards and a long score. And a handoff to Garbanoff, right tackle has space, 10, 5, jumps into the end zone, touchdown. Calvin Garvin, his first touchdown of the season, it's 13-0 Wilkes. Flare pass, near side Kimbrough, 15, 10, near sideline 5, near pylon touchdown. Touchdown FDU-Florham, a 12-yard pitching catch. Santos, handoff, Bennett met in the backfield and stopped. Jason Uwu came in and stuffed him for a loss of 2 yards. Santos drops, stands, throws, right side, intercepted! Ty Cunningham dove and made the catch at the 46-yard line. Snap from Cunningham, pulled by George. Kick is up, it's long enough, and it is through. Flair, right side, Bennett, caught, 20, 15, far sideline, 10, 5, touchdown. Touchdown Devils. It's now 17-13. Second and 9 from the 46, shotgun 4 wide. Santos, play action, loads it up, throws, deep left side looking for Franchillo, made the catch at the 20, 15, pushed out of bounds at the 11-yard line. Santos drops, handoff, Bennett, off right tackle, touchdown. Touchdown Devils, and they've taken the lead. 19-17 FDU-Florham. Woku off right guard, burrows through for a first down. And the ball's on the ground. Ball's on the ground. Do they rule a fumble? Ball's on the ground. Devils say they have the football, and they do. Santos loads it up, goes over the middle, looking for Bennett. Complete to the 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, touchdown. Touchdown Devils. Takes the snap. Hands off. Bennett up the middle, met and dropped behind the line of scrimmage. Tate Moore Jacobs. What a stop. A reverse to Pulowski, near side 25, 30, 35, open space 40, 45 across midfield, 45, 40, down to the 35-yard line. A 35-yard pickup from Justin Pulowski. Hands off to Garvin, near side, pull, 15, 10, 5, stiff arm, touchdown. Touchdown Colonels. Calvin Garvin for the second time in this ball game. And the Colonels cut it to a one-score game. Santos drops, looks left, now to the middle, is rushed, flushed out of the pocket, near side rolling, goes to the sideline, throws down the sideline, complete at the 27-yard line, ball's on the ground, is it a fumble? Wilkes ball! Wilkes ball! And a handoff goes to Garvin up the middle, 35-40, near sideline, 45 across midfield, 45-40, out of bounds at the 38-yard line. Jumbo formation, 3 in the backfield, Regan cuts it back, touchdown! Touchdown, Andrew Regan! Talk about a seesaw affair. Santos takes the snap, pump fake, loads it up, far sideline, Gaffney with a pick! Paul Gaffney at midfield, made the interception! What a job from the safety! Now throws right side, a screen to Pulowski, 45, 40, first down, 35 barrels into a tackle, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, wrestled down to the 5, and he is in! Touchdown Colonels! Justin Pulowski, a 46-yard score! Santos looking for Kimbrough in the flat. Now it's pressured, and oh, was he hit! Oh, was he hit by Jason Uwu! Uwu came in and demolished the quarterback. Paul Gaffney, Jordan Frito, Coach Shep distracted by Dave White, and there's the Gatorade! Welcome to the Centurions Club, Frank Sheptock. Final play has been run, the Colonels win. 37-27. They improve to 2-2.